Today I'm out on Big Cedar Lake with a Evinrude 9.9 horsepower. I'm not sure of the year right now, but I'll have to look up the serial number on it. But this one picked up off of Facebook Marketplace. All it really needed was to clean the plugs and put fresh gas in it, and it ran, and then I put a new impeller in it because it wasn't pumping water. So that's all I had to do on this one. It starts up and runs pretty good here. I don't know how fast we're going, but I got 2 gas tanks in here, some waders, some other things. So we're taking the pier out, but we'll take it for a spin here. There she goes. Neutral. Water. And then we got reverse. That's about it on this one. I'm probably going to sell it in the spring, but really good, nice running motor for any small John boat.